Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss when someone tags your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable tag notifications for your Facebook page using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. At the top right corner of your Facebook homepage, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a menu where you can see all the pages you manage. From the list, select the page you want to manage by clicking on its profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Once you're on your page, look again for the page's profile photo at the top right. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From here, choose Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look to the left sidebar and find the option labeled Notifications. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different notification types you can manage for your page. Scroll down until you find the section called Tags. This is where you control how your page gets notified when someone tags it in a post, photo, or comment. To make sure you get real-time alerts, find the option for push notifications under the Tags section. Click to enable push notifications. This ensures you'll receive updates directly on your device whenever your page is tagged. And that's it. With these settings enabled, you'll always be in the loop whenever someone tags your page, helping you stay connected and respond quickly to your audience. If you ever want to adjust these notifications, just follow these steps again and toggle the settings as needed. Staying on top of your tags is a great way to keep your community engaged and show your followers you're listening. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Facebook page.